So Lomov is received in Chubukov's house. First of all, we'll read that Lomov comes to Chubukov's house and how he talks to him to marry Natalia. It is Chubukov's house. Lomov enters. Chubukov meets him. Chubukov is extremely happy to meet him. He asks him to sit down. He also asks him where he is going in the evening dress. Actually, when Lomov comes to Chubukov's home, he was well dressed as if he was going to any party. Okay, he was wearing we can say a coat pant. And when Chubukov sees him, he was asking him, "Where are you going? Are you going to the party?" Okay, so he just comes to Chubukov, and then they were sitting and talking to each other. They were very happy to meet each other actually. Okay, Chubukov was a man who was very funny. He just hugged Lomov and told that he came after a long time there. Okay, then they started talking to each other. Lomov tells him the purpose of his visit. Okay, Chubukov didn't know that why Lomov came there. So Lomov had to tell him why he came there. Lomov tells him that he has come to see him with a request. He wants to say but gets excited. Chubukov feels that he has come to borrow money. Lomov starts speaking, but he talks of this thing or that thing. At last he says that he has come to ask Natalia's hand. Chubukov is greatly excited to hear it as he is worried about his daughter's marriage. Okay, so when Lomov comes to Chubukov, they started talking, and Lomov told that I want to tell you actually why I came there. Okay, he was talking about the purpose of coming there, but when he was talking, he was very nervous. He was excited. He drank water, then he got excited. His hands were shaking. So by seeing the gestures of Lomov, Chubukov was thinking that maybe he came to borrow money from him. Okay, so he was thinking, should he give him money or not? But then Lomov started talking, and then he was talking of this thing or that thing. Means he was just talking indirectly. He was just we can say talking about useless things, and he didn't come to the point. So Chubukov had to tell him come to the point and tell him the purpose of for coming there. And then he says that actually he wants to marry his daughter Natalia. Okay, and Chubukov was very excited after hearing this, because he was already finding a person to marry Natalia, because he was worried about Natalia's marriage. Okay, so Chubukov consents, means he agrees. Okay, he agrees. He hugs and kisses Lomov for it. He embraces, please hugs him, and says that he always wanted that. He is so happy that he behaves idiotically. Idiotically means in a foolish manner. Lomov asks him if he should think that he gives his consent, and Chubukov okays it.